Saan yun? Nakita mo na ba yung nangyari nung brawl comp tayo sa Maldito, pre? Nag-iwahiwalay.
Scatter sila.
Astral lang, Pard. Astral. Kailangan. Tapos na demon. GG.
Oh my god, they so tagal.
Masakit to pag
Sige.
Sabi ko, 8 minutes OC. Tagal nila eh. We here. Ang mag-vlog nga kayo kung nandito.
Galawin mo ang baso.
Pangit dito mag-brawl, ah. Dito banda.
Oo, pangit dito.
Mga
Hindi, pero kung nasa baba yung kalaban, pa-bait tayo, pa-engage tayo dito.
goods dito. Sa dyan banda. Dito. Dito to.
Ayun sila. OP ba nila? Ay, ano nila to, no? Terry. Guys, this one, come northwest. Sabi ko, G agad ah.
Bobo.
Get your stocks.
Diyan na sila. They are here.
Wala marmot. Ito marmot.
Ay, naka. Wag dyan. Wag kayo mag-hold dyan. Madaya to mga to, tatakbo sa Terry to eh.
Tapos
Hold
choke.
tayo sa OP.
Choke pa.
Clap.
Oo nga, choke pa.
Clap.
Eagles
Clap
tayo
sila.
dyan.
Clap.
Come up here. Guys, again ah.
Clap.
Defensive muna tayo ah.
Confirm clap.
Confirm, sige.
Brawl clap. Bushy.
Roll clap. Sige. Palag. Hold here. Northeast. Hold up the stairs lang. Kaya nyo sila mag-engage sa shallow. Ilang minuto ba to? 9 minutes?
9
Mag-reOC na.
Yeah, they're dismounted.
Maganda. Reosi na, maganda.
Reoc na guys.
Reosi, everyone.
Everyone reOC. Wait for the engage guys ha. Get ready defensive and we walk in ha. After the engage, we walk in agad.
Be careful.
Don't run guys, don't run.
Careful, they might have fake.
Come southwest nga. Ay, hold lang. Wait lang. Just hold.
They all
Walang tayo.
sealed already.
Ima-mark ko yung color nila guys ha. Naka-mark na sword yung color nila. Just watch out for this guy. Get ready ha. Just hold. Defensive, get ready. Huwag kayong papahatak guys ha. Naghahatak sila. Be careful. Fake yan. Real engage nila yung hatak. Be careful.
Inching.
Defensive. Walk in now. Walk to the backline now. Walk in southwest backline guys. Backline southwest. Huwag kayo magbulo sa choke. Backline southwest agad. Now keep walking in. Backline southwest. Deeper guys. Walk in deeper. Papasok sa choke yan ha. Keep rolling. Brawl the healer southwest. Get ready, be careful. Get ready defensive ha. Get ready pats. Bro shallow now.
Nice.
Good defensive. You heal up. Come back, John. Jedi, come back. If you're low, come back. Keep rolling now. Brawl.
Guys at the back. Come here in backline nila.
Brawl southwest.
Stuck kami.
Shallow brawl lang. Shallow brawl guys. Get ready defensive again ha. Ha. Just hold. Shallow brawl nga tayo sa likod. Patayin yung detax sa likod. Defensive. Brawl this detax inside.
I think that
Shallow brawl. Kill yung detax sa loob. Kill every detax sa loob guys.
Guys, behind us, free tank low.
Brawl the detax inside guys.
Clerical
Come
behind us.
back. Defensive. Oh my god. Don't brawl too deep guys. I said brawl inside. Don't brawl too deep. Just hold. Come northeast na sa outer na sila. Ang ina, pusi naman ng mga to. Come northeast. Kite. Start kiting.
looking.
Start kiting. Get ready ah. Wait. Hindi pa. Get ready to blink.
Ga.
Defend now. Now we brawl. Brawl here. Catch him here. Actually, come back. Paalis niyo sa Terry. Come northeast. Stop rolling. Black, Jonax come back. Everyone come back.
Pala yun.
Come northeast. Stop rolling, come northeast. Nasa Terry sila.
May mana ba?
Wala.
Lalim kayo masyado ha.
Come northeast, come northeast. Don't brawl too deep guys, nag-i-engage sa loob yun. Come northeast more. Defensive now, defensive now, defensive now, defensive now, defensive now. Matay. Now brawl, now brawl, now brawl, now brawl. Andayin ng mga to pre, come northeast pa. Palayuin niyo pa.
Fake yan, fake. Balik!
I'm coming.
Wait lang po.
Stop running to Terry, monkeys. Come northeast. Spread tayo dito. Spread northeast. We can still fight. Meron pa tayong healers. Guys, find their defensive ah. Defend now. Defend. Brawl now. Now we brawl. Heals up and brawl. Go to the backline guys. Go to the backline southeast. Kill the perma southwest pala. Southwest. Nice kill. Keep brawling southwest. Brawl them here. Spread now. Full spread.
I dropped
Full
too deep.
spread. Get ready to pats. Yo, brawl inside may healer sa loob natin guys oh. Nakatay. Northeast. Brawl the healer northeast. Get ready to defend now. Defend. Pats. And now we brawl. No more engage sa kanila. Keep brawling. Find the low. Keep killing the low guys. Ang daming low sa loob. Keep brawling the healer guys. Brawl the healer. Yo, can you purge? Drop Judy up. Punta tayo sa Judy for low. Get ready to pats guys. Get ready defensive. Defend now.
Ay, di kinaya ng shield ko.
One healer na lang kayo. One healer.
We can still fight. Fight yung mga low guys. Northwest low. Nice.
I dropped.
Southwest naman. Southwest.
Baka I need heals.
Wala naman na si Jimo. Come northeast. We kite. Kite for now. Get ready defensive ah. Brawl nyo to. Defend. Pats. Hindi natin mapatay healer nila pre. And spread here. Uy, save Jimo.
Did.
Scrum. Bro, this monkey is running to Terry.
We have +1, right?
Hindi na magpa-+1 tong maldito.
Ayun na nila.
Ang ina, ang lag. Oh shit.
Fucking pussy. Nagabi. Baka unfair din kanina dito banda. Counter talaga nila ang build natin. Nung nasa choke na banda. Sobrang staggered ng backline
Ay,
natin.
gagi. May ganker sa